All right, so we are reacting to Grandson's latest song, or what I presume to be his latest song, Rain, with Jessie Reyez. This is a song that is, I guess, on the Suicide Squad, the latest Suicide Squad movie, which is, I think, a remake of the last one that they did. We're going to check this out, so let's watch. It's called Rain.
I do not mind the rain sometimes, 'cause that's the only way the roses bloom in my mind. When I cry, that's the only way the roses bloom. It's okay, I'm not okay. I feel the disarray of yesterday. Oh, I need to feel the raindrops on my head, on my head. I know nothing, so I embrace what I could not control. Oh, my trouble walks beside me till my end, till my end.
Oh. Yes. Yes. Grandson. My goodness. Sir, you've done it again. You've done it again. Holy goodness. Yes. Just yes. Oh, that is so good. It's, dude, I love that. I love when he's going in. It's not chest voice, it's head voice. Getting into your head voice or whatever they call it in like singing terms.
That's the only way the roses bloom. It's okay, I'm not
okay, I'm not okay. Oh, yes. Oh, that's so good. I love the whole concept too of the song, you know. It's just like, it's like rain. But literally yesterday I was out in the rain. There was a storm that come in and there was lightning all over the place. So me and my friends go outside and we watch it, and it was raining and we're just dancing in the rain because we just like love it. You know, it's just like, being surrounded by like stormy weather is great. But also I think what the point is trying to say is that it's like rain in like life, you know, like life rains and sometimes it's hard. And what does it say? I grow from the pain or whatever. Oh, what does it say exactly? Cause that's the only way the roses bloom. I mean, I love that too. Like, that's the only way the roses bloom. So good. Like, you know, how else are you gonna... Oh, this part. Dance with the pain. So it says, I've made peace with the rain, dance with the pain. And I'm just like, yes, like exactly. Like, life is fucking hard, you know? It's fucking hard out there, dude. It's rough. But you know, it's like, what are you gonna do if you don't dance in the rain or dance with the pain, you know? Making peace with the pain or making peace with the rain. Grandson, you freaking did it. You're always doing it, man. Keep doing what you're doing, man. You're amazing. I love it. And everybody else out there too, keep doing what you love, and I appreciate you checking out the channel and checking out my videos. So if you're liking what you see, don't hesitate to drop a line in the comments for what you want to see next. And also, you know, there's a like and a subscribe button that really helped me out. So without further ado, I wish you all a beautiful rest of your day, evening, morning, whatever you got going on for you, and we'll see you in the next video. All right, peace.